Welcome to ClubExpress. In this video, we'll walk you through adding a formatted description to your event. To start, go to the Formatted Description page in the Events module. This is where you'll add detailed, formatted text and visuals for your event. First, set up your description layout using page rows. Page rows ensure your event's description displays correctly on all device screen sizes. In the Content Editor, choose the page row layout that best fits your content. You can rearrange or delete rows to adjust the order and structure as needed. Now, let's add content to the cells within each page row. Adding text. Select a cell, then type directly and use formatting tools to style your text. Adding images. To insert an image, select the cell, click the Photos or Images icon, and either upload a new photo or choose one from your library. If needed, you can add event rules above the description. This is useful for displaying special instructions or rules for attendees. Once your content is complete, mark this panel as finished and choose Save. And that's it. You've now created your event's description in ClubExpress.